This is the final match. An uproarious welcome for the champion pretenders. The first half is underway here. Steps up to steal the ball. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Good defence. Tried a through ball. Knocks it towards to the front. Breaking free. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Nice block. Will they find the net? What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team! Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. Seeking out a passing lane. Forward long pass. Oh, great vision. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Nice through ball. Good play, one-on-one. They're getting a free kick for that. Long pass from that free kick. Well, with tackling like that, it's on the referee to take action potentially. Strike! Need to be hitting the target from that distance. Looking to keep possession. Knocks it towards to the front. That's great defending. They're stopping that attack. Keeping possession. Carrying the ball forward. Across the corner, always a danger. Oh, so close. Looking to find space. Reads the play beautifully. Forward long pass. Pretty comfortable piece of defending. Oh, they lose possession now. Square pass. Chance in the box. Goal! There goes the ball. Looking for options. Heavy shot. That's goalkeeping masterclass. That's an offside. Here comes the free kick. Tried a through ball. Both teams played well in the first half. The second half is going to be intense. Second half is finally starting. might be able to get in behind the defence. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. Beautiful footwork. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Header! Doubles the personal tally. Again! Knocks it towards to the front. Great intervention to stop the play. Looking for options. Position at the back post. Seeking out a passing lane. Into open space. Clear sight of goal. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Knocks it towards to the front. Just cutting off the supply. Good play, one-on-one. Here's the delivery. Sensational stop from the keeper. A very timely interception. Steps up to steal the ball. Carrying the ball forward. Clear away to safety. Knocks it towards to the front. Referee has blown the whistle and we have a final score. What a thrilling journey it has been. And now they reign supreme as champions of the cup. Their path to glory has been marked by moments of sheer determination.